Hey everybody, Travis here to give you the recap of our November 12th Pokemon Trading Card Auction. It was awesome. Results are phenomenal. Thank you everybody in the TCG community for the support. We really appreciate the active bidding. Right off the bat, the showstopper was lot 20, the Shadowless Unlimited Booster Box. Now that ended up hammering down for $80,000, so you factor in the buyer's premium. That lucky collector paid $100,000 all in, and Kevin and I got to have a really cool experience. You may have seen it on our social media, where we actually delivered the box to the lucky buyer. He opened it right in front of us, and truth be told, it was a true factory sealed box. The packs checked out perfectly. It was just the craziest experience to see a factory sealed box of Pokemon from 1999 being opened. That was unbelievable. The second highlight of the auction, lot number 3, on the Base Unlimited Charizard PSA 10. The grade does not get any better than that. It ended up hammering down for $15,000, so all in $18,750 for that Charizard. That was a really strong result for the market today. Lot number 21, coming in third, was a 6-piece lot of Base Unlimited booster packs. Now these are estate fresh. We did not weigh them. We didn't do anything like that. Ended up hammering down for $5,500. All in $6,875. Again, think of that, for 6 packs that I remember opening as a child. It is mind-boggling to me to see where we are in 2020. That's a very exciting result. Lot number 2, Blastoise in a PSA 10, also Base Unlimited, ended up hammering down for $4,200, so all in, that's $5,250. Strong result for Blastoise. And the last highlight, rounding out the big 3, lot number 4 on the Base Unlimited Venusaur PSA 10. Always a king card for Pokemon fans. Ended up hammering down for $3,900, so that's $4,875 all in for that Venusaur. So don't worry, we have tons more Pokemon coming up. Make sure to check out our January 9th toy, comic, and TCG auction. We have a ton of Pokemon. Yu-Gi-Oh! Catalog is going to be loaded, well over 500 lots. So make sure to keep updated. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Check us out at Bruneau & Co. And make sure to visit the website, bruneauandco.com. Thanks for watching.
That's BRUNEAU.